You want to learn how to edit like this?
Believe this is because if you're able to figure out the steps to get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to make 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000.
Let's figure it out step by step.
Figure out the steps to get to around 10,000.
So this will be, background grid, like a grid background. I'll get the background I want. So this is the background. I'll get the, I like this background so much. So I'll make it like right click, time, enable tiny mapping, and I will just see the keyframes. If you are a video editor, I have a very special offer for you, which is one-on-one with me. I will teach you anything you want inside video editing. You don't have to take any more courses. If you want someone to be with you, talking directly with you, so you can ask him anything about video editing, about any effects, anything inside video editing. So if you are interested about that, I will leave you a link for this so you can fill some information and we will reach out to you. Make the second keyframe here and just move the second keyframe wherever you want, so it will only use this part.
Figure out the steps to get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to make 20,000, 30,000, 40.
So I don't need these movements, you see these movements. I just make it like this and just get this in freeze frame. Now we will take this only, so it's not video. Okay, so because we will not need the video, so this first thing. Now I will make any graphic here, but the main thing will be like this line. And make it like gradient ramp. Okay, so this will come from the bottom to top. I'll add like trim path and keyframe.
Steps to get to around 10,000.
So I'll make it very smooth as I can. It needs to be like here. So
to get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to make 25.
And I'll copy it and make it like 12,000, 30,000, 10,000. Okay, I will use the the N, which is like this decoder fade in.
The steps to get to around $10,000 per month, then
change the keyframes to be like here.
Steps to get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to make 25.
So I'll copy this and get here. Let's lock this background. I'll make this. So this is need to be a little, needs to be like here.
To get to around $10,000 per month.
And the second one.
To get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to make 20,000, 30,000.
So this will be 20,000.
Around $10,000 per. Around $10,000 per month, then being able to make 20. To make 20,000, 30,000.
And I'll copy it and make the same thing again. This will be like 50,000. Okay, like and make sure to make it like the to make this basing very low, and after that I'll select all these and start repositioning them. So all these needs to be shown. Now we'll go to the final thing, which is back. We just need to have like any graphic here. I'll get like gear. We can search in Freepik also. I like this, how this looks like, so I'll get this. I'll make ungroup so I can select the one I want. Still making ungroup. I'll make it here and I'll change the fill color, and I'll select all this stuff, all these graphics, and I'll make it new composition. And I'll start making the 3D look.
Figure out the steps to get to around 10,000.
Now let's make it.
The steps to get to around $10,000 per month. Then the step.
So I'll make the Acrobat inside this one. Make the Acrobat inside it, and to make it like the, now we can add press Alt on this watch and make it time store 50. It's very fast, like 25. And I'll make every one of these just start fading, and when it will work, okay. So I think we need to increase the width and the height of the composition. The height maybe so we have a lot of flexibility in the first composition, and to fix these problems with this the background, we will not scale the background, but we will make like banding this background. I'll make the CC repeat every time, and I'll create this like this, and I'll change this to unfold this one, so you can see very much cuts and I'll make so we have a lot of flexibility here to show it like this. Here we can make a more distance between the numbers. And by the way, we can change this to be in the pearl, but yes. So we can select this and the number and change the spacing. Let's see. We can. So we have a lot of more flexibility. And we will start making the keyframes. The position and the rotation for sure. And the main movement will be like this position, and we'll make another
figure out
movement.
the steps to get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to make 20,000, 30,000, 40,000.
So I don't like the stop of the graphics, so I will need to start just when it starts showing, just like this.
$1,000 per month, then being able to make
And here we can make some more movements.
figure out the steps to get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to make 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Figure out the steps to get to around $10,000.
So I think we can make it like two motions. Like I'll just show you, so we don't have to give this. Okay, this will be the first movement.
Figure out the steps to get to around $10,000 per month.
I'll cut to the new movement. Maybe it may look like this.
Then being able to make 20,000, 30,000.
Like this movements.
To make 20,000, 30,000.
I think we need to make this 10,000 more below. And have this 50,000, sorry, these 20,000 a little more down.
Figure out the steps to get to around.
I'll just need to expand the right. Okay. I'll change the width again. Expand the background. Like this.
Figure out the steps to get to around $10,000
per month.
I think for the background, if we just need these parts to we need it like a video, but so I think we can go inside and make it. We just need to give this background again. And I'll make it start from here. Style remapping. So that's it. I'll expand it again. Let's see.
Figure out the steps to get to around 10,000.
So I'll need to get like green color arrow.
Steps to get to around $10,000 per month, then being
So I'll do it. The two compositions here.
So one of the first milestones that every single beginner that's watching this video needs to accomplish when it comes to making money online is $10,000 per month. And the reason why I believe this is because if you're able to figure out the steps to get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to make $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 per month, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 per month is
It's gonna come a lot.
The final thing, which is a spicy thing, which is make it looks more better. So I'll just add like new adjustment layer and start doing like glow effect, trying some effects that will improve the look.
to get to around $10,000 per month.
Per month, then being able to make 20
To get to around $10,000 per month, then being able to make $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 per month.
And for sure, I will add new adjustment layer for this, and I will add like this vignette.
Get to around $10,000 per month, then being able